राम सभी भक्तों को हरे कृष्णा समस्त भक्त दंडवत प्रणाम। हरे कृष्णा। ओम अज्ञानातिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुर्मृतं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। गुरवे गौरचन्द्राय राधिकायै तदालये कृष्णाय कृष्णभक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो नमः। नमो महावदन्नाय कृष्णप्रेमप्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्णचैतन्य नाम्ने गौरतिसे नमः। हे कृष्ण करुणा सिन्धो दीनबन्धो जगत्पते गोपीश गोपिकान्त राधाकान्त नमोऽस्तुते। तप्तकाञ्चन गौराङ्गी राधे वृन्दावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये। ॐ वृन्दावै तुलसी देवै प्रिया वै केशवश्च च कृष्णभक्ति प्रदे देवी सत्यभक्त्यै नमो नमः। भक्तावीन अपराधदक्षै क्षिप्ताश्च कामादितरङ्गमध्ये विपामि त्वां शरणं प्रपन्ना वृन्दे नमस्ते शरणारविन्दम्। भजामि राधां अरविन्दनेत्रां स्मरामि राधां मधुरास्यास्यां वदामि राधां करुणाभराद्रां ततो ममान्नास्ति गतिर्नकामि। आदेवी काकुवरगदगदयाद्गवाच जाजनीपट्टे भुवि दण्डवदुर्भुजात् अश्रप्रसादमुदाश्च जनाश्र कृत्वा गन्धर्विके निजगणे गणनां विदे। अंगस्यामृविचटामन्दी जितेन्द्रीवरं जड्डं जाजुप्ररोचि संपट्टं वरसत्प्रिया बिन्दासनिवासुन्द्रसद्धां दामोदरं राधास्कन्दनिवेशनज्जलो भुजां हैयं दामोदरम्। श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानन्द श्री अद्वैत गदाधर
सदेशी गौरभक्तवृन्द।
हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। सर्वप्रथम मेरी दीक्षा गुरु नित्य लीला
My Diksha Guru Nitya Lila Pravistam Om Vishnupad Astotasat Shri Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Srila Vaman Goswami Maharaj and my Diksha Guru Sannyas Guru Nitya Lila Pravistam Om Vishnupad Astotasat Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Srila Narayan Goswami Maharaj, and I pay my Koti Koti Dandavad Pranam. Then after Nitya Lila Pravistam Om Vishnupad Astuta Sata Shri Srimad Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj and all the Vaishnavas and Gauras and Harik Satruvinda, all the friends and mothers and Sabhyaka Charanam mein, please accept my Dandavad Pranam. Today Prabhuji has ordered me, has requested me to speak the memories of Srila Gurudev. These memories is in my
भाषा में कहा जाता है स्मृति तुम्हें वेदना।
The Smith is the
अर्थात
map.
पुराने दिनों की कथा
In the Puranas, in the oldest Kathas,
शांति साथ
the Kathas that in my heart, this memories, the heart melts.
किंतु
But
महादृश्य पाषाण हृदय सदिश होने के नाते मेरे हृदय द्रवीभूत नहीं हो रहा है। यह मेरा दुर्भाग्य है।
this is my unfortunate that I've got all the memories, but my heart is not melting. That
पालन करके
to,
मैं
but
महाराज की कुछ कथा स्मरण करना चाहता हूँ।
because I've been requested to speak,
मैं जब
that's why I'm speaking.
नवदीप धाम में
First of all, first time when I came to Navadip Dham,
देवानंद गौरी
at that time in Devananda Gaudiya Math,
सब सन्यासी
all the sannyasis,
चले गए।
they all left, they all went out,
महाप्रभु की
and it was Sriman Mahaprabhu's Janma birth, this appearance day,
अधिकांश सारे ब्रह्मचारी
and then all the brahmacharis and sannyasis,
अनुकूल संग्रह के लिए चले गए।
and they went.
उस समय मेरे चाचा जी
Then my uncle
श्री
Sri Madhusudan Maharaj,
ब्रह्मचारी,
at that time he was Krishna Kripa Brahmachari. I had his darshan,
उन्होंने कृपा करके
and by his mercy,
नवदीप धाम तथा अपने चरण कमल के स्थान दिया।
and by his mercy, I came to Navadip Dham.
बचपन से ही एक विशेष
From a very young age, I
कृष्ण था।
had always
श्रवण कीर्तन
I always liked listening to the Hari Katha,
जो कथा आदि
and all the kathas.
बोलते थे
When the brahmacharis used to speak Hari Katha, I was not satisfied. So that's why now and then I used to go to Nitya Leela Bhakti Rakshak Sridhar Maharaj, and I used to go to his mutt and listen to his Hari Katha. And then after that, after 2 months, Bhakti Vedanta Narayan Goswami Maharaj came to Navadip from Mathura.
मेरे याद है
I can remember, and when Narayan Goswami Maharaj, when I had darshan, I had the bhavana, my heart melted and the bhavana manifest in my heart, that I knew that this is my life where I've had a darshan of a Sant Mahatma. In my mind, I surrendered at the lotus feet of Narayan Goswami Maharaj from my mind. And in Devananda Gaudiya Math, when Srila Gurudev, when I had darshan, at that time, he's beautiful, he's white, he's who's just seen his, when you have his darshan and his speed, he used to steal everyone's heart. Even I said, when I touched his lotus feet, that I had some realization, and I cannot describe that in words, but I can remember the Srila Gurudev. When I had darshan of Srila Gurudev, he asked me where I came from, where you are from, what relationship you have with, and I explained to him. I spoke to him and I explained everything to him. Then by his mercy, he said, his Manusya Jivan Hari Bhajan. So the purpose of the human being is to do Hari Bhajan, Sadhan Bhajan. So Gurudev asked me, do you do Hari Nam? So I said, yeah, in my mind I do Hari Nam. In my mind I do Hari Nam. So Gurudev said, no. So you should not do mind. You should do Hari Nam in uttas, like in loudly, and chant on a Tulsi Mala. In my heart, that Gurudev there. So in my heart, I said, I thought that if Gurudev gives me mala and gives me Harinam, then my life would be successful. So then he gave me and Tulsi Mala. He gave me Tulsi Mala, and still to this day I am chanting on that same Tulsi Mala. And then Gurudev gave me Harinam, and Srila Gurudev, he explained to me that in your mind you cannot do bhajan like just in your mind. Bhajan is uchchaste. When you loudly chant Harinam, then that is bhajan. So, that you should chant on Tulsi Mala. Also that Gurudev explained, and he gave me Siksha in my heart. And then I used to chant. After that I used to chant on the Mala. Then after 1 month, my Diksha put Nitya Lila Pravistam Asatra Sata Shishimad Bhakti Vedanta Vaman Goswami Maharaj. He came to Navadip. At that time also Gurudev was there, present there as well. With Gurudev, they were with Gurudev. They are prem, very beloved. When I looked at the behavior of Gurudev, Narayan Goswami Maharaj, when he came, the Nashinga Toran, when Gurudev used to come, when Vaman Goswami Maharaj, how he used to, I saw that how when Vaman Maharaj came, he did Dandavat Pranam to Gurudev, and there was so much respect between them that I saw that was my fortune to see that how much. So now the respect they had for each other, nowadays it is very, very rare to see that. My Harinam, when I took Harinam and I went to Vaman Goswami Maharaj, he saw this Japamala in my hand, and then he asked me, where did I get Japamala? So I told him, and then he took this Japamala and he put the Japamala on his head, and then he gave it back to me. And when I saw that, I started to cry. So when he's giving Harinam, and he put the mala on his head and he gave it to me. So I had tears in my eyes. So then when Brahmachari came and he said, Srila Narayan Goswami, that whoever Narayan Maharaj, Srila Narayan Maharaj gives the Vala Japa, Mala, then Vaman Maharaj always puts it on his head. So it was in Gaur Punim. At Gaur Punim, I went. Srila Gurudev told me. So Srila Gurudev, that is Vaman Goswami Maharaj, said that you go and get permission from Srila Narayan Goswami Maharaj. Then Vaman Maharaj, Srila Bhaktivedanta Vaman Goswami Maharaj will not give Diksha. Then, so the Jivan of Srila Vaman Goswami Maharaj, and also the life, the life of Bhaktivedanta Narayan Goswami, there was one thing that was common between them two. Whenever Narayan Goswami Maharaj did not give permission, then until then Sri Bhaktivedanta Vaman Goswami Maharaj never did not give Diksha mantra. Then also same went in the sannyas. So he also used to say, first go and get the permission from Srila Narayan Goswami Maharaj. So that's why my Gurudev, and they respected each other so much. My Gurudev and Bhaktivedanta Narayan Goswami Maharaj, they had so much respect for each other. When they took up, because Bhaktivedanta, my Gurudev got Harinam from Prabhupada, and then he took Diksha mantra from Pragyananda Keshavji Goswami Maharaj from Param Gurudev.
सम्मान करते थे।
So how he was,
उन्होंने सब कथा में एक शब्द यूज करते थे।
he used to use one word in the katha that Srila Narayan Goswami Maharaj is my guardian, is my guardian. He always used to say he's my guardian.
सौहृद से भाव की एक
The,
अपार महिमा
the
दोनों में हम लोग
they had,
देखा।
that I saw that they had so much friendship, so much close friendship.
यहाँ तक भी मेरे गुरुदेव श्री वामन
Even my Gurudev, Bhaktivedanta Vaman Goswami Maharaj, when he used to come to Mathura, how they had so much priti, so much love and affection for each other.
यहाँ तक भी जब यही मथुरा मठ में जहाँ पर हम
When
बैठे हुए
we are here sitting in Mathura Mutt at this in the same place
बैठते थे,
where Srila Gurudev used to sit here as well,
महाराज बैठे
and then
बाद में बैठे।
Gurudev used to say first Bhaktivedanta Narayan Goswami sits down, then I will sit.
मेरे गुरुदेव को कुछ नाम
First Bhaktivedanta Narayan Goswami Maharaj speak Harikatha, then my Gurudev used to say I'll speak Harikatha.
श्रील गुरुदेव नारायण गोस्वामी महाराज की जो है
Still Srila Bhaktivedanta Narayan Goswami Maharaj is in asan. Yeah, then he used to sit asan. Kirtana Sada Hari. In this slok, he is Vaman Maharaj was so much humble. And Bhaktivedanta Narayan Goswami Maharaj used to speak a lot of Raj Katha. The speciality of Gurudev's Katha was, Srila Gurudev's Katha, he used to recite all the Kathas, whichever Katha he spoke. At the end, he always used to speak about Vraj Gopis Katha. Like Krishna Das Kaviraj Goswami Maharaj in Chaitanya Charitamrita is saying, Raghunath, Rupa Raghunath's Katha is our life's sar, our life's path. The speciality of Gurudev was his sneha. We had one pointed. It was he never used to discriminate anyone. That when Srila Narayan Goswami Maharaj used to give Harinam according to the regulations, and he was the Acharya. So the Acharya Vaman Maharaj was the Acharya of the IGV Vedanta Samiti, Gaudiya Vedanta Samiti. So Narayan Goswami Maharaj, he used to give Harinam, and sometimes we used to have some ego, like Narayan Goswami Maharaj, we used to say, we are not your Sishya. We used to sometimes tell him that we are not your Sishya, that we are the Sishyas of Vaman Goswami Maharaj. So then the reply, he used to pacify us, and he used to pacify, saying, one is Sakhya Sishya, Parakya Sikhya. So one is Sakhya disciple and one is Parakya disciple. So Gurudev used to speak that Parakya. He used to give an example in Mathura and Dwarka, Sakhya. So the queens in Dwarka, Mathura are Sakhyas, and the gopis in Vrindavan are Parakyas. So who is more superior? The superiors are the gopis, and the Parakyas are more superior than the queens, the Sakhyas. He used to give us so much with his sweet words. He used to give us love and affection so much. Gurudev, remembering Gurudev, he used to melt our hearts. Srila Gurudev, he used not to think what's mine and what's yours. He didn't discriminate at all.
जितने भी मठ के जी शिष्य
All the Sishyas, all the disciples in the mud, they always used to come to Gurudev
आंखों की जानी दृष्टि
with his eyes.
जो है चितवन के जो है
He used to
आकर्षित कर ले
he used to attract everyone with his eyes, just like Srila Bilva Mangal Thakur.
गोपांग दिनाम चतुर्गुण चौरम
Ch-
अनेक जन्मार्जित पाप चौरम चौरम अग्रगण्यम पुरुषं नमः वास्तव रूप में
In Vastarup, this slok,
गुरुदेव के ऊपर भी
we can apply this slok to Gurudev.
एक बार दृष्टिपात करते थे
Even Gurudev, when he looked at anyone, he used to steal their heart. With one glance of his eyes, one glance, he used to steal everyone's heart.
यह तक भी शास्त्र में भी कहा
Even in Shastra is written, in Amavasya, who takes birth in the Amavasya, they are thief. They will be thief. So Gurudev was born in Amavasya, and Gurudev, so that's why he's a cheap. So he's a thief, the material thief, the thief in this material world steals the material things. But Gurudev used to steal the Sishyas, disciples' hearts. Just like how Krishna used to steal the gopis' heart. So similarly, Gurudev,
समस्त भक्त की जो है
he used to steal all the bhaktas' heart.
अपने सेवा में
And he used to use that heart for the seva.
स्मरण कैसे बताएं
So how can we remember?
स्मृति पाठ में
Even
आता है
in my remembrance, I have memories.
एक कथा भी स्मरण
I will speak of one katha
10
in 2010
गुरुदेव की जो
when last moments of his Gurudev were in Govardhan,
जहाँ पर गुरुदेव
where Gurudev
समय
at that time
असुस्थ लीला
he was in sickness Leela, and
यानी
at the end last day,
पूर्णिमा के दिन
like last day of Purnima
कक्ष में गए थे
of Kartik, I went to his room
गुरुदेव के प्रणाम करके
and I paid pranam to Gurudev,
मुझे कहा
and Gurudev said,
प्रचार में जा रहे थे
Gurudev asked me, are you going to prachar?
मैंने कहा हाँ गुरुदेव
He said, I said, I've got a ticket to go to US, America, I've got a ticket to go to USA. So I hold his lotus feet and I said, Gurudev,
मैं इस समय
at
प्रचार में
that,
जाना नहीं चाहता हूँ
I don't want to go to prachar now because I want to stay with you at your lotus feet. At that time Gurudev said,
मेरे सिर पर हाथ रख
and he put his hand on my head and he said, hey, look, देखो, even Prabhupada,
प्रभुपाद की
in Prabhupada,
अच्छे जेतु
Prabhupada's Vani, that is Vani, what is his Vani is to do prachar.
हमारी गौड़िया वैष्णव की
Prachar is a speciality of Gaudiya Vedanta, our Gaudiya, Vaishnava, sorry, our Gaudiya Vaishnava.
स्नेहसी
And that's the, and he gave me with so much love, and he gave me Ashirvad. And he said, you go, but
तुम्हारे साथ
I-
नवद्वीप में
you come back quickly and I will meet you in Navadip.
मैं जल्दी जल्दी ठीक हो जाऊँ
I will get better. He said, I will get better. I will get very quickly get better, and I will be
श्री केशव जी गौड़िया मठ
at the Sri Keshavji Gaudiya Math.
जरूर मिलो
I will definitely meet you there. You go now.
इसी प्रकार
That he gave me that vachan. He gave me that instruction.
पास करके
I had trust in his vachan.
चले गए
So I went to America. I remember in Houston
जब गुरुदेव के
when
बारे में कुछ बात कर रहा
when I used to talk anything about Gurudev
था और उस समय
or 29th of December, about in the morning, early morning,
मैं
I
विचार कर रहा था
I was thinking,
मुझे आज ऐसे अपशकुन लग रहा है
I felt like there is some inauspicious day today.
और उस समय
I felt
उस दिन भी
that day,
टिकट था
that was my day of ticket,
मियामी से
Miami to, I had a ticket to go to Miami to Rio de Janeiro, Brazil.
क्यों जबकि पता नहीं क्या
But I didn't know what was in my mind,
तथा
that
मैं प्लेन में चढ़ गया
still I got on the flight, I got a flight, and then I got the ticket as soon as I landed in Brazil. I got the news
गुरुदेव
that
अंतर्ध्यान की लीला की
that last moments of his Leela, I got the news that Gurudev had left this world, and my heart just remembering Gurudev.
बहुत दूर होने के बाद
I was so far away from Gurudev when he
अपराध
left.
कलवर
In-
समाधि में उपस्थित होने
that I could not be there, present in his samadhi,
हृदय में स्मृति पाठ में रहने लगे
and the smritis were in my
और
heart.
यही मैं चिंतन करने लगा
I used to meditate, I used to remember that Gurudev told me,
मैं तुम्हारे साथ
I am,
नवद्वीप में
I will meet you in Navadip.
गुरु मुखपादों वाक्य चित्त दे करी वास्तव गुरुदेव
Gurudev,
आज ही
even today, Gurudev
प्रकाश स्वरूप में
in his Prakash Roop is also there in Navadip.
विराजमान है
He is present there.
वह गुरुदेव की कथा
That Gurudev's Katha, I
और
remember.
गुरुदेव के आशीर्वाद
That Gurudev's Ashirvad,
मैं आज भी मैं स्मरण
I also still remember that. I still
जितने जीवन मेरे
remember
जीवन की
that.
जो घटना
That my life, whatever was happening in my life,
घटना की केंद्रीभूत जो है वही
Who is-
रहता है
is
यही केशव जी गौड़ी
is Keshav, even in this year, Keshavji Gaudiya Math,
गुरुदेव के सेवा के लिए
we are serving Gurudev. We have we have surrendered to Gurudev's lotus feet. So whatever
अनुकूल
anukul,
गुरु वैष्णव के मठ की सेवा के जो कुछ अनुकूल
whatever's favorable, whatever the favorable to do the seva for the, whatever I used to do, I used to submit. I submit. I used to
उसमें
to Gurudev.
मैं यथायथ अपने तन मन जीवन
My
की
mind,
जिंदगी
my mind,
सेवा
tan,
में
man,
प्रयास किया।
and
मैं
I
कोई आत्म प्रशंसा नहीं करता
am not
किंतु तथापि
saying,
प्रसंग क्रम
I
किया।
don't,
गुरुदेव के प्रति ऐसे और मैं कई बार भी अस्वस्थ हो गए किंतु गुरुदेव
sometimes
की कृपा दृष्टि
because of
गुरुदेव की
Gurudev's
जो है,
kripa and his
अपने
drishti
मदहस्त
and his,
मौसम प्राप्त करके
I remember his smiling face that I get encouraged, and today
यह
I-
पेशवी गौड़ी मठ की एक सौध
there's one
एक हमारे स्मरण पट में इधर यहीं पर रहता है
that when I remember,
मैं एक गुरुदेव की कथा मैं स्मरण करता हूं।
I remember
जब मैं
Gurudev
भिक्षा में जाता था
whenever I used to go for Bhiksha,
जब शिविर में जो कुछ भी फल मुझे प्राप्त होता
whatever I used to get from Bhiksha, I used to give whatever fruits I used to get,
होने पर भी
I used to always give it to
भिक्षा की कुछ पैसा जो है
Gurudev,
उसके द्वारा
and sometimes by the money, sometimes I might not have got, sometimes I would have not got Bhiksha, then what money I had, little money, I used to go and buy lokhi, like some vegetables, then I used to buy lokhi, and then,
और उस कॉलोनी में जाते थे
and sometimes I go in some colonies,
और जिसके घर में ये सब सब्जियां देखते थे मैं
The-
उनसे भी
and I used to see some sabjis in their house, and they gave it to me, and I used to give it to Gurudev, and Gurudev was happy with. Actually, Guru Seva is what is the purpose of the life. Purpose of the life is the,
इसी को मैं स्मरण करता था गुरुदेव की चरण कमल में रहने की सौभाग्य को प्राप्ति हुई
so I was very fortunate to live with Gurudev, the lotus feet, and listen to his Hari Katha.
आकृष्ट करके रखता था
The Gurudev used to attract me, his Hari Katha. Wherever I used to go, wherever I used to Bhiksha, I used to make sure that I'm there on time when he used to give Guru Katha. So sometimes when I was a little bit late, so Gurudev used to ask, where is Subhashaka, where is Sripad Maharaj? He used to,
जन्माष्टमी के समय
especially during the Janmashtami time,
अनुकूल संग्रह आदि के लिए कभी-कभी दूर में जाना पड़ता था
sometimes, I used to go far away, and I used to get late. Gurudev,
मेरे लिए कथा की जो है
for me,
अपेक्षा करते थे
he used to wait until I came back.
कि जब कमरे में जाते थे
When I used to go into Gurudev's room, he said, Gurudev said, hey, you have come. He said, see, I used to wait until you came before I started the Hari Katha.
तुम जो बोले अभिमान प्रकाश करें।
Yes, so they
गुरुदेव
will,
के कमरे में जब जाते
when I
थे,
used to go in Gurudev's room,
कभी-कभी गुरुदेव ऐसे बोलते थे।
Gurudev used to,
गुरुदेव बोलते थे,
Gurudev used to
देखो,
say,
आज जो बोला,
today
देखो,
that I
तुम लोग
katha,
हमारे सामने बैठे हुए ना,
Gurudev said, I spoke
ये
this
समझो
katha,
कथा,
this katha that you spent
अत्यंत
out.
कथा है।
This is a very special katha, Radha and Krishna.
जो अंतिम
That
कथा जो है,
the end of the katha,
गुरुदेव यही कहते थे,
Gurudev used to say,
तुम लोग हमारे सामने बैठे हुए
you are sitting in front of me.
कथा मैं बता दूं।
This is the katha.
कथा जो है,
This katha, katha is over Sara Jivan.
अनूठा है, जो प्रेम प्रीति
That the prem priti, how can we forget? How can we forget his love and affection? The prem and priti, that I can still remember the kathas.
देख करके उद्धवदास जी देख करके शासन भी करते थे।
He used to,
जैसे एक कथा में स्मरण करता हूँ,
I'm remembering one katha.
हम परिक्रमा कर रहे थे,
We were doing parikrama with Gurudev.
केवल 2001 में जो है,
It was about 2001.
2000 में हमारे सन्यास हुआ।
I had a sannyas at 2000.
ब्रजमंडल परिक्रमा कर
We were doing Vrajmandal parikrama in 2001. We went to Brahmana Ghat, and after Brahmana Ghat,
हम लोग
we
जमलार्जुन भंजन दर्शन करे।
were Jamala.
विदेशी लोग हमारे पास
There were a lot of Western people, so they had all gathered around. And my nature is, if somebody comes in front of me, my nature is, if they are eager to listen to Hari Katha, or if they ask me any questions, I don't look at the time, so I started to speak. So the time passed. So somebody complained to Gurudev, Sripad Van Maharaj is giving Hari Katha. At that time Gurudev came, and Gurudev, if somebody complains to Gurudev, then Gurudev will definitely chastise me. And then I ran away. And Prem Prajit, and Gurudev with a stick, he ran after me. And then he chastised me then, and he pulled my ear in front of everyone. I also felt in my heart, and I went in the Gurudev. Gurudev, you are sannyasi. This is not touching. He said, you are sannyasi. Whatever kripa you gave today. He spoke about Prabhupada's Vani. When Guru and Sishya Danda Deke Ashansate means mercy. So when he tells the Guru, tells off, then when Danda, punishes the child, so like Guru, when the Guru punishes the disciple, that means that disciple is very close to them. There is a relationship between Guru and close. Disciple is very, very close. Just like the mother, when the mother is close to the child, she will punish the child. But it is really Guru Kripa, the Sash. So we should listen to his instructions. So I remember Gurudev used to take with us to the parikrama. And when he used to go, when I remember Uchista, when Gurudev was honoring Prasad, he used to give us his Uchist. That was our fortune. So now I remember, if Gurudev was with us now, actually Gurudev is always with us, he's here now. What can I say? That Gurudev bless me life after life, that I can serve at the lotus feet. I will end my vachan. The time has passed.
अच्छा गुरुदेव की अनेकों स्मृतियां भी हमारे हृदय में आ जाता है।
The memories of my Gurudev
जैसे
comes
गुरुदेव
in my
के साथ
heart
जहाँ-जहाँ पर
wherever we used to do Braj Mandal
उस समय
Parikrama.
हमारी परिक्रमा छोटी होती थी।
That at that time the parikramas were like small,
ज़्यादा से
not
ज़्यादा
some.
8-10
About
ब्रह्मचारी
most of it was like 10
और
brahmacharis
कुछ
or
ब्रजवासी मिला
or
करके
some
15-20
or
होते थे।
15
और हम लोग
brajvasis,
गुरुदेव के साथ
and we used to go with
ट्रैक्टर
Gurudev.
में बैठकर
We used to sit on the tractor. Now we go on the bus. At that time we used to, in the beginning we used to do parikrama. We used to sit on the tractors, and
ट्रैक्टर में बैठते थे।
Gurudev himself also used to sit in the tractor. Even there was,
अंदर में हम जाते थे।
he used to go right inside the like jungle, like more foresty, like, and he used to speak very beautiful Harikatha. I can remember one thing, memories.
ये कामा होते हुए
कामा
और
होते-
जाना पड़ता था।
We used
आजकल
to-
तो सुंदर रास्ता भी
Now
हो
the roads are
गए।
better, but
35
before,
साल पहले
this
वहाँ
20
पर
years
रास्ता
ago,
नहीं था।
the
दोनों
road
तरफ जो है,
the road was not there at
बबूल
all.
के पेड़, कांटे
There
के
were
पेड़।
there were
और भी
thorns
और
of
जंगल
the
भी।
trees, the
ट्रैक्टर भी जब
thorn
चलते
trees
थे,
were there
हम
on
भी
the
देखा,
side.
गुरुदेव के
That
साथ
even
थे,
in the
वो
tractor,
बबूल के
that bubble,
डाल जो है,
the branches
वो
of
ट्रैक्टर
the
के ऊपर
thorn
आकर
trees,
के,
the thorn trees
वो
used
लग
to
जाता
come
था।
all over the tractor, and that
देखा,
used to
गुरुदेव हम लोग के साथ वो
used to
ट्रैक्टर में
injure us
ऐसे
with the
ऐसे
thorns. The
करके
thorns
बैठते
used to
थे।
hurt us.
और वो बबूल के कांटा आकर
And
के
then the
गुरुदेव
kantas,
के ऊपर के जो है फाड़ देते थे।
and sometimes these kantas, they used to even tear
उस
Gurudev's
समय ऐसी था,
cloth.
कोई रसोई की कोई व्यवस्था नहीं थी।
There was no arrangement for cooking. Wherever we used to get, wherever we used to go, we used to do madhukari from Brajvasis.
ब्रजवासी के घर से
From Brajvasis, like roti
नींबू की जो है
or nimbu ki achar, pickle, lemon pickle, we used to get from the Brajvasis. And then we used to give it to Gurudev.
उसके ग्रहण करके
And Gurudev, we used to honor it. Gurudev used to give us his utist.
कदम में खुली की कथा बहुत सुंदर है। कैसे स्वयं श्रीमती राधिका
How Srimati Radhika with herself,
सोने के हार
the golden, how she offered the golden necklace to Lord Shiva.
ऐसे सुंदर जो स्थान दिव्य और
This place is very beautiful, where Krishna,
के लिए
Krishna used to meet Radha.
कैसे
Then how did she used to satisfy Shivji?
कृष्ण गोचारण करते करते
And then Krishna used to do cow herding, and with his Priya Narmashakas, with
कैसे कृष्ण के श्रीमती राधिका के साथ
with Srimati Radhika, how
बिहार प्रेम बिहार आदि करते
they used to
कोई
have
पर सुंदर सुंदर
very
अपराध
leelas.
दिव्य कुंज अब है।
There's
आज
all,
तक भी
even now
मेरे से
there's
पता लगता है,
there's
ये
a
वास्तविक
kunj.
स्थान क्या है।
That place
गुरुदेव
is,
मुझे पर जाकर के
Gurudev
बताते
used
थे,
to
मेरा
tell
आज
us,
तक याद है,
I-
गुरुदेव हुआ स्वस्थ बदन और उनकी सुंदर नीलाभ है, दृष्टि
his beautiful Christy side, how he used to get so absorbed there, and you see, then all these leelas, he used to speak about all the leelas in the parikram. When we used to go on the hill on the top, and we could see, he used to tell us how, look how the peacocks are dancing. We used to see when we were with the Gurudevs, we used to climb the mountain, and then on the ground we used to see there was such a beautiful that Krishna. Even now also see that you can see how where Krishna used to come for cow herding, and the peacocks how they used to dance, and the koils how they are singing. Even now when we go to that place, that is a very beautiful place. The Gurudev used to go there, and Gurudev used to speak all the Nikunja Lila, all the Leelas he used to speak. His kathas were so sundar, so beautiful. That ISKCON month, Tamal Maharaj, Giriraj Maharaj, sometimes they used to come with Gurudev's kripa. Sometimes
कार भी नहीं
We didn't have car in Keshavji Gaudiya Math.
है। दोनों टाइम चावल
The car is a far thing to have. It was very even hard to have rice twice a day.
कार की बात हम क्या करें,
We
उस
can
समय
at that time.
बात जो है
At that time, we didn't even have. We were Bengali because we are Bengalis. We used to eat a lot of rice and not so much roti.
क्या होता है, मुश्किल हो जाता है।
It was very difficult for us to eat rotis because we are
जो स्थिति और उन समय के स्थिति
now what it is and what it was before. It's like a difference between the sky and the land.
हाँ वो देखो अभी प्रभु ने मुझे तो कहने लगे, देखो हम उस समय हमारे मन की स्थितियाँ क्या बताऊं।
What I can tell you, what our state was of our mud. Gurudev had. Gurudev didn't have so much. He had very simple things. He didn't have so much. This Dharamsal, Kunja Bihari was the manager of this. He used to give. He used to give 2 rupees. So 5 rupees. They used to spend 5 rupees in the whole day. Our Premananda Prabhuji was a Bhandari. He represents the mother of the Gaudiya Math. So we used to get this. We used to buy tel from the shop downstairs. Bottle. So now we have a dabbas, you know, the tin of oil. We used to get 50 grams of mustard seeds oil. So it used to be like, we used to not use more than 100 grams of that mustard oil in the whole day. So we used to use it. So like now, sometimes now people come from outside and they give us something, you know. But at that time we had nobody used to come and give us from outside. I remember one thing, me and Premananda Prabhu, we had a very good relationship, me and Premananda. I used to go with him every day, go to the bazaar. Now Mandi is there. Before here, the market, the sabji market used to be down here. So I used to go with him to the sabji mandi. I used to carry the thela, you know, the bag on my shoulder. Prabhuji also didn't have that much money to pay. So 3 rupees. So 3 rupees from then 2 rupees you buy masala and oil. Then maybe 1 rupee used to remain. So for 1 rupee you have to buy all the sabjis. So Prabhuji used to say, Prabhuji, Premananda Prabhuji, you know the aloo that's like gone of alus. We used to, and me and Prabhuji, we used to pick those potatoes. So I remember one katha. At that time, it was a cabbage, you know, cabbage. One shopkeeper, what he did was, so one cabbage was like kind of half gone off, and he threw it away. So Premananda Prabhuji asked him, he picked up that cabbage and he gave it to me. And I was thinking, you know, I was thinking in my farm that we used to have so much cabbage, you know, full copy. That I was just thinking like that. And then what did is the cabbage that I was holding in my hand, this cow came and just took the bit of the cabbage. And the Premananda Prabhuji, so he pulled that cabbage from the mouth of the cow. And the guy, and then he cut that half in half. And he said, okay, give half to the cow, and then half we take back. Then he said, look at Bhagwan Kripa. And he said, look, Prabhupada. So he spoke that sloka.
जगद्दीताय कृष्णाय गोविंदाय नमो नमः मैंने बहुत अच्छे श्लोक है तो
So he spoke that slok. My good Prabhuji, what is the meaning of that, Prabhuji? He said, today, he knows that this Kobej, the 3 people got served. We served 3 people. Who are they? Namo Brahmana Devaya, Brahma Jagatita, Namo. So he said, hey, Prabhuji said to me, Brahman, half we gave it to cow, so the go seva is done. Yes, so we gave half to the cow. We gave it to the cow. So the go seva is done today. That's go seva. And I was thinking in my mind, okay, chalo go seva ho gaya. So what is Brahman seva? Gurudev is Brahmin, right? So when we serve Brahman, Gurudev is Brahmin. Gurudev is Brahmin. Yeah. He's the Trivedi Brahmin. So he's a Brahmin. So when we serve him, then Brahmin seva is done. And third is, and Krishna seva ho gaya. Then we will serve Thakur ji. The safal ho gaya, so the success, the life, this cabbage's life is success. So it wasn't at that time, it wasn't like that. We only used to get 2 rotis, achar, limbu ka achar, you know the lemon pickle. We used to get lemon pickle and 2 rotis. I used to bring the lemon pickle. The lemon, I used to, yes, he used to bring lemon and he would cut it and put it on the roof to dry and then make pickle out of them. So every brahmachari, not 3 rotis, only 2 rotis. It was hard days that time. That Premananda Prabhu, that aloo, I like bhaja. So what Premananda, the very small aloos, you get. So what he used to do, cut them. So he used to just fry it in the oil and he used to give that to everyone. Premananda Prabhu had so much love and affection. He used to serve. I'm glorifying my Gurudev, but at the same time I'm also glorifying Prabhuji, Premananda Prabhuji. Madhav Naveen Brahmachari, he used to go to collect, sometimes he used to go to Delhi, Nainital. He used to go to Kanpur for 8 or 9 days. He used to go there. That Naveen Brahmachari. So he used to give me some seva to like wash Gurudev's clothes or cook for Gurudev or massage his feet. I used to do that. And the Premananda Prabhu, he used to cook and even to this day, even now he cooks. Premananda Prabhu, he still cooks. Yeah. He serves Radharani directly. So he used to put oil on his head. Then I used so he didn't sleep until we massaged his head or massaged his feet. And Premananda Prabhu used to put oil on his head and I used to massage his feet. That veranda which you see, that never used to have a fan. You know the British, there was one British, but it used to be one fan here that used to make so much noise, the British fan. I don't know what's happened now. It was like a big pankha. It used to make a lot of noise. And we used to sleep. We used to switch the fan on and go to sleep here. Gurudev used to sleep in that room down there. It was a very hot, during the hot summer, the
तो
pankhas
गुरुदेव की
don't,
सेवा हम लोग ये सब कैसे करते हैं?
how we used to serve, how we used to say, like pankha, you know those manual pankhas you move, like, so every 2 hours, every brahmachari, rato, up to 8 to 9, up to 3 o'clock in the morning, from 8 o'clock to 3 o'clock, we used to fan him.
दो ब्रह्मचारी जो है वो हवा करते थे।
So like two brahmacharis, there was one roster, you know, they had 1 hour, 2 brahmacharis, they used to do the fan, like manual fan.
दैना करके कहते थे।
And the Gurudev with the humble said, and he said, we used to say,
मेरा सेवा करते हो।
I haven't done any sadhan bhajan and you are serving me. So Gurudev's,
हम लोग गुरुदेव के इसी प्रकार
that's how we used to serve Gurudev. Gurudev used to stay
गुरुदेव
here.
की ऐसे एक स्नेह ममता प्रति जोड़
The
दिया था।
Gurudev, we had so much sneha and mamta with Gurudev, we can never
कोई
forget.
हृदय में अभी तक
Even now in my
ऐसे
heart,
गुरुदेव की वैसे। और गुरुदेव 3 बजे
the Gurudev used to wake up at 3 baje, 3:30 and do Harinam. And he used to tell Brahmachari, do your Harinam.
मैं क्या करता हूँ?
He look at him, he said, look at how I look at my life.
4 बार हम लोग क्लास देते थे।
He used to give us classes 3 times.
5 साल
Jevadara. For 5 years, he just used to give class on Jeva Dharma.
प्रति संदर्भ,
Prati Sandarbha,
तत्व संदर्भ,
Tattva Sandarbha,
भक्ति संदर्भ,
Bhakti Sandarbha. So Gurudev used to give us class.
और श्लोक पढ़ाते थे।
He used to teach us how to do slok. Hey Brahmachari, hey, remember this Gita slok, Mana Siksha, Upadesh Amrita.
कोई ब्रह्मचारी नहीं तो अभी श्लोक माने
If some brahmacharis remember
क्या करते हैं? उसके
slok,
जवाब पीछे जाकर खड़े हो जाओ।
you go at the back and stand.
स्कूल में
Some like in the school, when the teacher used to punish the students, students who don't study,
शिक्षक जैसे शासन करते हैं, गुरुदेव उसी प्रकार
just like how teacher used to punish the school children, so Gurudev used to do the same. Gurudev used to punish us.
कोई नहीं देगा।
So Gurudev, when he,
पता हमें आजकल स्मरण है।
I remember that Gurudev said,
गुरुदेव यहाँ पर हो सका किसी ने यदि रिकॉर्ड करके रखा।
Gurudev had recorded everything.
कथा सुनते उस समय
If you, I don't know if they, at that time we didn't have a tape recorder, but if somebody has recorded this katha, if you find it, then you should read. Gurudev himself, he used to say, whatever I'm giving you, Gurudev said, whatever I'm giving you, once I leave this world, you will, nobody will give you what I'm giving you. That's what Gurudev used to say. That's why with this katha, you please listen to this katha very carefully and keep it in your heart.
गुरुदेव इस कथा को व्याख्या करते हैं।
That's what Gurudev says. I can remember very well that this slok, Jashumati Nandana
गोकुल
Ranjana,
अच्छा किसमें वो है?
Jashumati Nandana,
गोपी प्राण धनो
Gopi,
और आगे
Gopi Prana,
खुला सारा जो का काम किसमें है? इसी कीर्तन में है ना? विवाह परिसेसा आलोक इसमें है?
which book?
इस श्लोक में क्या है?
Oh,
है?
to finish.
फूला सारा जो का काम ये फूला सारा
Foola
ये द्वारा
Sara.
गुरुदेव काम गायत्री की व्याख्या बोलते थे।
Gurudev used to speak the meaning of Kam Gayatri. Maybe Uma Didi's got some recorded.
इसमें फूला सारा जो का काम
Foola Sara.
इसके द्वारा काम गायत्री की व्याख्या गुरुदेव करते थे।
He used to explain us the Kam Gayatri mantra.
बाहर के लोग ज्यादा नहीं आते थे।
Not many people from outside used to come, or sometimes 2 or 3 Vrajvasis used to come, and we, our brahmacharis used to come.
तत्व के जो है और रसपूर्ण
In the Rasa Katha Gurudev used to give.
काम गायत्री की व्याख्या
Also Kam Gayatri Vaksha.
गुरुदेव करते थे। और कहते थे देखो ये समस्त
And then he
कथा
used to say,
कौन बताए?
who will show you this katha?
गीत गोविंद की
And the Jai Deva go in the Gita. Gurudev used to, every slok of the Jai Govinda, sorry,
जो एक श्लोक के गुरुदेव सुंदर रूप में व्याख्या करते थे। यदि
he used to explain every slok.
गीत गोविंद की कुछ कथा भी
So even Gita Govinda's Katha he used to explain
कृष्ण
to us.
कर्णामृत ग्रंथ की
Also Krishna
श्लोक
Karnamrita,
104 नंबर श्लोक के गुरुदेव इतने सुंदर रूप में व्याख्या
he used to give us,
करते थे, दीक्षा गुरु और शिक्षा गुरु के बारे में बताते थे।
he used to tell us what is the Diksha Guru and who is the Siksha Guru. He used to explain to us nice. He said Diksha Guru, Siksha Guru. He used to speak so very nicely, he used to explain so nicely about Diksha Guru and Siksha Guru. Sometimes the Siksha Guru may be more superior than the Diksha Guru. In the Krishna Karnamrita 104 slok, first slok, two sloks. There's one slok and 104 slok, and he used to compare the Diksha Guru and Siksha Guru. Especially in 104, there's been manifestation. There's more superiority given to Siksha Guru. 104 slok. There was a Siksha Guru. The superiority of Siksha Guru is explained. Sometimes they say that you should give more attention to Diksha Guru, but when you do your bhajan ras, and then at that time bhajan ras, so then Siksha Guru will give it a Siksha. So like Raghunath Das Goswami, he told Diksha from Yadunandan, but his Siksha Guru is who? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu's Swarup Damodar, Rai Ramananda, Rupa Goswami, and then Rupa Goswami. After Rupa Goswami, he surrendered to Rupa Goswami so much, and Raghunath Das Goswami, in his Rati, he came in his Rati Manjari Bhav so much, and he used to take darshan as a Rupa Manjari. Then Gurudev used to say, in Jagat Pranam, what is the difference between the pranam we do when we do pranam to our Gurudev? Chakshuran Miltani Tasmai Shri Guruvai Namaha. That is Aishwarya. Actually, the Aishwarya Buddha. The Bhavsiddhi. Sometimes Raghunath Das Goswami in her Siddha Deha Svarup, she is doing plain like speaking, hey, as a Rati Manjari. So Rati Manjari is saying to Rupa Manjari, hey, Rupa Manjari, you are well known for the past few days, your husband is out of the town, but you don't even take Surya Das. Yeah, you don't. But you don't go to anyone's house. You don't go anywhere out of the house. But how come you got teeth marks on your lips? They say your bimple fall like reddish faint hands. That the Sukh Pakshi has, like the Sukh Pakshi has beat your lips. So that's how they used to discuss with each other. So that was the Manjira Bhav. The Manjira Bhav. That when Krishna touches Radharani, whatever that, because the Ekanti, one pointed Sakhis for Radha, so that is reflected, the mood of Radhika, the bhav is reflected on that one pointed Sakhis like Manjaris. It's reflected on their body. So when Krishna used to hug Radhika or kiss Radhika, then that mood that was directly reflected into the Manjaris, into the Manjari.
आपको मिलेगा गुरुदेव की प्रवचन में, कथा में, ये कैसे चलता है? गुरुदेव ये सब कथा स्वयं ही सुनाते थे.
When Gurudev used to speak in the early days, we were new, so he used to speak about this katha early days, but we were new, so one katha I will speak. One day, I first came here. Gurudev took me to
से कहीं चले गए थे, हैं?
took us to.
से कोई वो कलेक्शन में कहाँ गए थे,
The other brahmacharis went for collection.
वो कानपुर
Kanpur, Madhav Maharaj, they went there.
के साथ
So I was with Gurudev.
वृंदावन में गए। उस समय
I went with Vrindav. At that time we didn't have no Rup Sanatan.
गुरुदेव एक बहुत उच्च कोटि के संत महात्मा, नाम तो नहीं कहूँगा,
I won't mention the Sant Mahatma, but our Gurudev went to this very, very high class Sant Mahatma.
इनके साथ आपके स्वरूप के बारे में कैसे आलोचना करें?
So he said, Swarup.
ये नया ब्रह्मचारी कुछ नहीं
So he
जानता
said,
है,
Are. So he said, oh, this is a new brahmachari, he doesn't know anything.
अच्छा ठीक है, मैं थोड़ा दूर में बैठा रहा।
So I said, so they two were discussing between them two. I was sat on the side.
गुरुदेव कहने लगे,
Then Gurudev spoke. He said,
जब मैं ये जैव धर्म पढ़ाता हूँ,
when I'm teaching the Jaiva Dharma,
इस कथा को पढ़ने से
is
मेरा ये भावना उत्पन्न
that he used to have this
उन्होंने
power.
कहा,
Then he said,
ये जो रमन मंजरी है ना,
this Raman Manjari,
ये आपके सर्वधर्म।
this is your Swarup Raman Manjari.
यद्यपि गुरुदेव
When Gurudev, he knows everything, still he was asking the sadhus. He was speaking, asking, like the Sanatan Goswami knows Lavanga Manjari. And so Gurudev, so still Chaitanya Mahaprabhu asks, Sanatan Goswami still asks Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, they don't think like Gurudev doesn't know. Because of his just in the humble mood, he asks this other sant that what is my swarup? That Mahatma said, he said, the Jaiva Dharma, in Jaiva Dharma, the Ekadas Bhav in Panchadasva. I didn't have the gyan at that time. Later I got to know about that, and then they were discussing about it. So he gave everything. He told everything about Ekadasi Bhav, Shravan Dasha, Bhavan Dasha. So all these kathas he spoke, and Gurudev was very happy. And even though Gurudev knows everything, because of with a humble mind, with the humility, he used to still ask him to this Sant Mahatma. But even in Jaiva Dharma, Raman Manjari's Leela is there as well. He said, hey Raman Manjari, Kakati the monkey that comes to in the, they are coming to break the sleep of Radha and Krishna. And he said, hey Raman Manjari, that is your seva. That is mentioned in Jaiva Dharma. Then when he used to have tears in his eyes. Then I confirmed. I still remember now. When we went to this mandiri with this Sant Mahatma, they were discussing. I was sitting a little bit far away, but I still remember that they were discussing about Raman Manjari, and that was his Swarup. Then I didn't speak. So Gurudev there is no doubt that he is a Raman Manjari. But you have heard that he is Raman Manjari, but you have to realize, first you have to understand, first you have to realize your Swarup. Once you know your Swarup, then only you can know what is Gurudev's Swarup. That's when Shastra says, first you should know your Swarup. Please, you have to realize your Swarup. Then you will be able to anubhav or realize Guru's Swarup. And then after that, Radha and Krishna. So, to realize your Swarup, this is the prana, adusada, bhajan kriya, anata, nista, ruchi, ashakti, bhav. So that is the pranali, that is the process, that is called the Siddha purpose, the Siddha pranali of the Babaji and our Prabhupada's Siddha.